Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today I am out by the pond because I wanted to show you this beautiful beach cover up I just made using the Free Spirit shawl by Ellie and Mac. But what I'm really coming to show you today is this beautiful rolled edged hem that I did on my serger. Today I'm going to show you how to easily do this rolled edge that gives it such a cute little touch to really any garment, and how easy it is to do it. I was kind of intimidated by it, but it was so easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So stick around, watch this tutorial, figure out how to do the rolled hem, go back to Ellie and Mac, get the pattern, and go to the Ellie and Mac YouTube channel. I'll attach the link below where I show you how to sew up this really easy, really cute beach cover up. I will be honest with you, I think I've only done a rolled hem just a few times in my lifetime. I don't like to change the settings of my serger. I don't know if you're like me, but I'm always worked up. Like, if I change the settings, am I going to be able to get them back to where they're supposed to be? And I always am encouraging on here to you and telling you to try all the things and do all the new things and don't be scared. And here I am trying to be a chicken. So today I pulled out my serger manual, which is what you should do if you have any questions, or if you don't know what it is that you're doing. I pulled out my manual. If you don't have it with you, you can always look up your manual for your sewing machine online, and usually you can download it to your laptop or your computer. And so I have a rolled edge instruction section here. So we're gonna do it. Now for your sewing machine, our recommendation for your sewing machine, your serger, if you're doing a rolled hem, it's to, and if you're not comfortable with it, you haven't done it before, you don't know the settings, I would recommend you take a picture of what your settings are on your machine before you change all your settings. So that way you can put it back exactly how you had it, if it's exactly how in the settings that you want it to be in. So I'm gonna head over there to my serger. I'm gonna take a few pictures of exactly where I have my levers on the side and all my tension and stuff like that, just to make sure that I remember. And I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I know I'm gonna second guess myself when it's time to put it all back, and I'm gonna be like, ooh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna set it up for my rolled edge. Okay, the first thing we're going to do to create this rolled hem is to get rid of our left needle. So we need our little tool that comes with our serger, and we're going to just remove that one needle. So let's loosen that up and get rid of your left needle. Put that right needle back in there, and make sure you tighten it up after you put the needle back in. Okay, keep the needle somewhere handy when you are going to put it back, or if you're going to change the needle, that's fine. But if you're going to keep your needle, make sure you put it somewhere where you won't forget where it's at. And I'm mostly saying that for myself. All right, now for my machine, my settings for my rolled edge are going to be on the right needle. We're going to move it to a 4 right there. On the upper looper, we're going to move it to a 4 as well. And a lower looper is going to be 7.5. All the way to 7.5. All right, now for the side of my machine, I made sure that I took a picture of what it is set on right now, so that way afterwards I'm not like, oh no, what was it? And I have it all ready right here. Okay, so I'm going to change this little piece right here, and it's going to be a stitch of a rolled hem. So we're going to move it to the R for rolled. Then we're going to move our differential to a 0.7. So all the way over here to a 0.7. Whoa. Okay. And then we're going to move our stitch length to a 2, in between a 2 and a 3, which is kind of what it is on right now. Right there. Okay, we're just going to leave it right there. Now the last thing to do is to disengage our knife, and hope you can see it. My knife is right here. This is my knife. First thing we want to do is turn the wheel so that the knife goes all the way to the lowest point. When it's at the lowest point before it's going to come back up, so it comes back up. So move it all the way to the lowest point. Then we come back to this side right here and see where it says place knife at lowest position. And then we're going to move this all the way over to lock our knife in that lowest position. if we go back over here, our knife is still at the lowest position right there. Let me turn so you can see it. And if I'm turning the wheel, it's not moving up. It's stuck down there at the lowest position. So that's what I want. All right, now that we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and try it with a scrap piece of fabric. And admire our work. Yay, that looks really good. We did it. All right, so I wanted my stitch to be a little bit tighter. Let me show you the difference. So here's the one we just did, and here's the one I just did, a lot tighter. And I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, so on this side is where the length of your stitch is gonna go. So remember I put it almost to the 3. So over here, this part right here, that's kind of looser, it's almost to a 3. And then this part right here, which is tighter, I turned it down closer to the R, somewhere between the R and the 2. And it gave me this way tighter look, which is what I kind of want to go for because I'm going to do an edging. So it really is up to you how wide you want that stitch and how thick you want it. Just play with your settings here on the side, and that's going to help you to achieve the look that you want. All right, friends, rolled hem was definitely the best idea. It looks so good. I love how the edging here kind of looks like, see how it's like bold because of the black contrasting thread. It looks so good. There was nothing to be afraid of for doing that. All right, friends, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. I hope that that was helpful and that it helps you to realize how easy sometimes things can be intimidating, and then you're like, wow, that was actually really easy. I hope you try it. Let me know if you have any questions, or let me know what you think about it. Go grab your pattern, sew it up with me. Go check out the video. I'll add it on the info box below, and I'll see you all next time. I would jump in the pond, but I gotta go to work now and I would mess up my hair, so this is just for show.